Oke, Assalamualaikum. Selamat pagi semuanya. Bagaimana kabar kalian pada hari ini?
Alhamdulillah
Baik,
baik,
Miss.
Miss.
Oke, syukurlah kalau kalian baik dan sehat pada hari ini. Sebelum mulai pelajaran, mari kita berdoa dulu ya. Berdoa dimulai. Oke, berdoa selesai. Nah, Miss akan absen dulu ya. Linda Firdayanti.
Hadir, Miss.
Oke, Nur Fitriana Kananda.
Hadir, Miss.
Okay, nice. Now, I want to ask you something before we start our lesson for today. Nur Fitriana, where are you from?
I'm from Kuningan, Jawa Barat, Miss.
Okay, is there any food or culture that is famous from Kuningan?
Hmm, for food, it's peyem ketan, Miss. It is made
Okay,
from tape ketan and wrapped with daun jambu air.
okay, nice. Now, Linda, where are you from?
I'm from Palembang, Miss.
Okay, is there any food that is famous from Palembang?
Pempek, Miss. It is made from mackerel and it's so tasty.
Okay, nice. Thank you all for the answer. Now, the reason why I asked you about where are you from is because our material for today is descriptive text. And the topic is Indonesian food or culture. Now, this material is important because it can improve your English skills, especially in writing, reading, and also it can improve your knowledge about Indonesian food and culture. Now, let me share the material for today, okay? Okay. Now, in the first slide is the definition of descriptive text. So, descriptive text is a text that is used to describe something. It can be a person, place, thing, or event. And the purpose of descriptive text is to give an information or impression about the object written. Next is the structure of descriptive text. So, descriptive text has three general structure. The first one is a title. Now, title, it must be clear, concise, and catchy so you can attract the attention of the reader. And next is the identification. It consists general information about the object you write, such as the name, location, or the category of the object. Now, next is the description. In this part, you have to write more specific details of the object, such as the parts, qualities, characteristics, or facts about the object. Now, from those explanations, do you have any question?
Saya, Ma'am.
Okay, Nurfitriana.
Kalau misalnya pembuatan makanan itu masuknya ke bagian identification atau description ya?
Oke, good question. Jadi, kalau pembuatan makanan itu masuknya ke bagian description. Karena itu termasuk dari penjelasan lebih detail dari suatu makanan tersebut ya, Nurfitriana. Oke, let's continue. Next is the language feature of descriptive text atau unsur kebahasaan yang biasa digunakan dalam teks deskriptif. Yang pertama itu adalah specific participle. It must be specific on one object, not a general one. Next, you should use adjective or adverbs that describe the qualities or characteristic of the object. Okay, and you should always use simple present tense in descriptive text because it states facts or general truth about the object. Now, before we move on to the example, do you have any question about the language feature of descriptive text?
Saya, Miss.
Okay,
Saya
Linda.
masih belum mengerti tentang spesifik partisipan. Bisa dijelaskan lagi?
Oke, jadi specific participant itu maksudnya adalah kamu harus fokus menjelaskan satu objek secara jelas dan detail. Misalnya kamu mau menjelaskan tentang makanan soto. Nah, kamu harus pilih mau menjelaskan soto apa, karena di Indonesia sendiri itu terdapat banyak jenis soto. Seperti soto Medan, soto Betawi, soto mie, dan lainnya. Begitu ya, Linda?
Okay, Miss. Thank you.
Oke. Now, next, I have an example of descriptive text. Okay, so what is the title of the text? Guys,
Rendang
Rendang
Minangkabau.
Minangkabau.
Rendang Minangkabau. Now, from the text, could you tell me which one is the identification?
Paragraph 1, Miss.
Paragraph 1, Miss.
Yes, paragraph 1 is the identification because it consists the general information about rendang. Now, which one is the description?
Paragraph 2, paragraph 3, and 4, Miss.
Okay, nice. Paragraph 2, 3, and 4 consist of specific details about rendang. Now, could you make some questions regarding this text?
Where does rendang come from?
Okay, where does rendang come from? Next.
How to make rendang?
Okay, great. Now we are going to the assignment. Now, in this assignment, I will give you 20 minutes to write a short descriptive text about Indonesian culture or food that you like or want to try. For the reference, you can check from the website indonesiakaya.com or you can write it based on your knowledge and experience. Do you get it, guys?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's get working. Okay, guys, it's already 20 minutes. Now I'm gonna share your assignment here so your friends can see it too. First is Nur Fitriana. Okay, Nur Fitriana, what did you write?
It is a traditional dance from West Java called Jaipong, Miss.
Okay, now which one is the identification?
The identification is paragraph 1, and paragraph 2 until 3 is the description.
Okay, very good. So, who is the creator of Tari Jaipong?
Gugum Gumbira and Haji Swanda, Miss. They are artists from West Java.
Okay, nice. Very good. Next is Linda. What is your text about?
I wrote about pempek, Miss.
Okay, Pempek. Now, which one is the identification?
Paragraph 1, Miss. It started the general information about pempek.
Okay, and the description?
Paragraph 2 and 3, Miss. I wrote more specific details about pempek, like the types of pempek, that we should eat pempek with cuko, and how is the taste of pempek.
Okay, very good. You guys did a great job with the assignment. Next. Okay, next, let's review our today's lesson. First, what is descriptive text again?
A text that is used to describe something or someone.
Okay, nice. Next is, what is the purpose of descriptive text?
To give an information of the object.
Okay, very good. The structure of descriptive text are,
Title, identification, and description.
okay, lastly, what are the language feature of descriptive text?
Specific on one object, adjective and adverb should describe the object and always use simple present tense.
Okay, good job all. Thank you for today and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Miss.
Miss.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you.
you.